Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You will start by confirming prerequisites. Keep the battery above 50%, have the original USB cable, and a Windows PC ready with ADB and Fastboot installed. Next, download the exact color OS recovery image for your Realme model and place it in a clearly named folder. Once done, enable USB debugging if you can access settings. If not, proceed to boot into Fastboot using volume down plus power. Make sure drivers install correctly, otherwise the PC won't detect the phone. You will flash the recovery now. Connect the phone to your PC, open a terminal in the folder with the recovery image, and confirm Fastboot devices lists your phone. Then run Fastboot Flash Recovery. IMG, making sure the file name matches exactly and the image is for your model. This replaces the corrupted recovery partition. After the flash completes, type Fastboot Reboot Recovery to boot directly into the new recovery, and verify the recovery menu appears and accepts navigation input. You will complete the repair by clearing cache and data as needed. In recovery, choose Wipe Cache or Wipe Dalvik to resolve boot loops, and then reboot system. If the system still doesn't boot, obtain the full color OS ROM and use the official flashing tool for your chipset to reflash stock firmware. That's the only way to restore a badly corrupted system. If the PC doesn't detect the phone at any point, reinstall universal ADB drivers and reboot the machine. That usually fixes connectivity.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.